Okay, good morning everybody. What is today's topic? We're going to review utility knife blades. And there's a pretty good reason for it. I found what may be a good bargain for you on Amazon. Now, what I'm looking at here in the picture is just a standard, pretty much kind of like a box knife. I'm going to change the picture here in a sec. I'm going to show you some blades that I bought, and I'm going to show you a deal I ran across. And hopefully this is something that you can use in your home garage, your shop, or your business. Let's change the picture. Let's get right after it with no long intros, and here we go. Okay, now this is what I was looking to buy. I didn't buy these, but this is what I was looking at for replacement blades for my utility knife cutters. And I've got the cheap plastic ones, and you know, they slip in through the back. Anyway, there's nothing wrong with these. They're good. They come in a pack of 10. But the point here is I wanted to draw out is these are $10. Okay, you get a 10 pack. It's $1 each. The specs are down here where, you know, you snap them off. The blades have 8 pre-cut sections to where you can grab them with a pair of pliers and just snap them, and it creates a new blade for you as long as you haven't damaged the whole blade. It creates a new tip. And they stay sharp. They work great. They're really handy for around the shop for cutting open plastic containers that are shipped to you where tools are formed in them, or boxes or anything like that. So they're just a real handy, no-brainer kind of a tool that you have laying around. But what I did is while I was searching, I came across this, which I think could be a better deal. One sec. Okay, so I came across these, which I think is a lot better deal. You get 12 full-blown knives, including the blade, for $12. So for another $1 or $2 more, I mean, I got more tools, kind of, because I keep these like inside the junk drawer. I have a few scattered out in the garage. I gave one to my neighbor. I mean, you know, stuff like that. And you get me a little bit better value because I've actually got the full-blown knife. And you still have, you know, the perforations along there to snap off the blade as you're using it if you want to. And they do last me quite a while. Now, they're great for cutting open, like I said, plastic boxes, you know, cardboard boxes, things that, you know, ship to you. And they're nice and handy just to have around, just, you know, as a general tool. Okay, let's jump right over into any questions. I mean, you know, I posted on the forum that I came across this deal. Got a lot of thank yous from people. Hey, that's a great thing. I'm going to go buy them. I own a business. One guy's a contractor. He said, look, I got employees that lose them all the time. He goes, so this is a much better deal for me. He goes, if they lose them, well, it's not that big of a deal. You know, I keep a box of them in my truck. So, okay, there's one use. Or if you got a restaurant or any kind of a business, I mean, you know, it could come in handy. You know, for stuff like that, you don't need to worry about them being lost all the time and just sitting around with blades and no handles. Well, no, it's got a lot of uses. I mean, it depends. I mean, you're a DIY person like me, like it says down where it says recommended choices. Those things are true. Students, hobbyists, warehouse, I don't know, you know, stuff like that. This is just a quick tip for you. Instead of spending, you know, $10 on a pack of 10 blades, you spend $12. You get 12 full-blown knives with blades on them, you know, ready to go. You can see that in the picture, the back there, that little black tab, that comes off. You slide the whole thing out. You can replace the blades even. So you can still buy replacement blades if you want to and continue to use these. My point is like I said, just in the cost, I mean, taking a look at both, it just seemed a better way to go for me. So I went ahead and I bought, you know, a box of 12, you know, full-blown knives. Well, here's the other thing to notice that you don't see a whole lot on Amazon. You have 90 people that have reviewed this, and all 90 of them have given it 5 stars. I mean, because it is a bargain. It's a good thing to buy. They're handy to have around. There's not a whole lot for me to say about this on the video. This was just a real fast video to let people out there know, look, instead of going out and buying the blades, you might want to just buy a box of 12 cutters and just have all these extra cutters. And they're good quality, but, you know, they are what they are. They're a cheap plastic, you know, utility knife, but we see them all the time in stores. You probably pay a little bit more anyway than $1 a piece for them. So you can add these on to maybe one of the shipments of things that you're buying from Amazon just to have them around. And like I said, they come in incredibly handy. Okay, I'm the home handyman. It's early in the morning before work. I thought I would do a quick video. Give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and I'll keep doing product reviews and how-tos, you know, as I have time. You folks have a good day, and I'll see you again on the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.